Hey HR managers, our best onboarding experience yet is finally here. I'm thrilled to show you exactly how to set up a new employee using our brand new interface. We've really reimagined the workflow to be faster, cleaner, and more intuitive for our 321 customers. With that being said, let's get into today's demo and the new experience. So to start off, we're going to navigate to the staff dropdown to add a new employee, except here you're going to select Add New Employee with the new UI for the new onboarding experience. The first step is to confirm the division. Next, we enter the basic details, so first name, last name, contact information, and the new hire's job title. Once the employee information is set, we select the necessary forms from your form package. Once done, click on Submit, and the onboarding invitation is sent instantly to the new hire. Now let's switch perspectives to Carrie. They receive a welcome email with a clear Get Started call to action to complete their onboarding. Carrie starts by confirming their personal details that are already pre-populated from the information that HR has entered, with built-in validation in case they make a mistake or forget to complete a field. The system then guides Carrie through identity verification as a step required from the I-9 form that HR has selected. So they select their preferred document type and have the option to either upload or capture a photo of that document. Next, Carrie completes their onboarding questions such as household info, social security, and questions required from the forms. This experience is really designed to be simple for the user, making complex forms like the I-9 and W-4 feel pretty straightforward. Once finished with those questions, Carrie is prompted to provide a digital signature to finalize their submission. Now, Carrie is now almost done on their end of the onboarding process. They can review the generated versions of their W-4 and I-9 to ensure that everything looks perfect. They are greeted with a success message and the option to download all signed documents for their records. Now let's switch back to the HR view. We can see Carrie's status has been updated in real time. Even though Carrie has submitted everything, Carrie's progress is marked at 20% because the documents require HR verification to complete the process. So it's time for the HR admin to review the submitted I-9 and W-4. Clicking into the I-9 form to approve, this form resolution step allows HR to verify new hire document information like passport details against their entries and complete the required employer-only fields. By changing the status to approved, HR is legally finalizing their paperwork and the onboarding process is officially closed. Once both forms are approved, notice the progress tracker hits 100%, and now the dashboard reflects a fully onboarded, active employee. Mobile, paperless, and stress-free, this is the Canary onboarding experience.